NOT-USDT Overview. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Magnifying glass tilted left trading style, spot. Alarm clock target time frame, about a month between TPs. Entry levels, 0.01330 to 0.01630. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.02286. Target 2, 0.02595. Target 3, 0.02938. Target 4, 0.03312. Target 5, 0.03668. Stop loss, 0.00803. Trading tips. Look carefully for opportunities. Avoid rushing decisions. Utilize simple trading tools like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance levels. Trade management. Consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price, or the last take profit after each target is reached. This helps lock in profits and limit potential losses on trend reversals.